So I am connecting the power supply on my breadboard. You can see the 5-volt supply. This is the 5-volt plus and 5-volt negative supply. This is the 555 timer IC, 8-pin IC. You can see the first pin from the dot. This is the first pin, second pin, third pin, fourth pin, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now I am connecting a 8th pin to the 5-volt VCC. Now connecting a 4th pin to the VCC. Now connecting a first pin to the ground, means negative supply. Now I am going to connect a second pin to the 6th pin. Now you can see the second pin and the 6th pin is connecting by using 3 wires. I am placing a third wire to successfully connect second pin to the 6th pin. So you can see the second pin and the 6th pin is connect successfully. Now I am connecting a 12 kilo ohm resistor to the 7th and the 6th pin. You can see this is the 6th pin and this is the 7th pin. Now I am connecting a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor to the 7th and the 8th pin. This is the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor is connecting 7th and 8th pin, and this is the 12 kilo ohm resistor is connecting the capacitor. I use 10 microfarad 25 volt. Now it is connecting second pin to the ground pin, negative supply. Now I am connecting a capacitor to the 5th pin. Extend the 5th pin. Connect a capacitor of a code 103, which is a 0.1 microfarad. Connecting the capacitor 5th pin to the ground pin. Now extend the 3rd pin. The 3rd pin is the output pin, and I am connecting a LED on the 3rd pin. I used a green LED. Connect a resistor, 500 ohm resistor in series with LED. This is the complete circuit of a 555 timer, Astable Multivibrator on breadboard. Connecting a 9-volt battery, and we get a power supply on, and you can see the LED is on and off. In place of a 12 kilo ohm, I used a 100 kilo ohm resistor, and this is a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and this is capacitor is a 10 microfarad. Now turn on the power supply. Now you can see LED is on and off successfully. You can see the result.